Hello and welcome to JW Solar USA. Just want to show you my subscription from other channels. I have 1,000 subscriptions on YouTube. Look at all these guys here. Whole bunch of channels I've subscribed to. See them? As the list goes, you can pause and look at all these guys and see for yourself if you want to subscribe to them. I'll recommend you do, because I have a great subscribers here, and that'll help your channel as well, and see what people you want to follow. You might not like the people I subscribe to, but it's your preference if you want to. You know, anybody that produced or uploaded video on YouTube is a very important person, because it takes a lot of courage, it takes a lot of work to do what everybody does. So nobody is better than nobody. That's my own opinion. You know, you have yours, but on my side and in God's side, you are no better than anyone. We are all the same in the eyes of God. So these are all my subscriptions. Doesn't mean I don't like everybody. I don't have nobody that I hated, but you know, you might probably have some dislike or maybe have some issues with somebody, you know, but it doesn't mean I don't have to like that person or whatever. We might not probably work together or get along. That's the word, but I don't think, I don't hate people. We are all humans, you know. And it's a lot of stuff here. And maybe you can find, you pause the video and see. You find these people, whatever you want. You can subscribe to them. A lot of these people subscribe to me. Some of them don't, and it doesn't bother me, because I'm here to support other people. And you can check out my shout out videos. This is what I do. I go through the list here, select a lot of people, and give them shout out. If they want to do the same thing, that's cool with me. If they don't want to give me a shout out, that's fine. I don't do shout out to get shout outs. I don't do shout out to get subscribers. It's a choice. If you want to subscribe to me, you like my work, go ahead and do. But if I can ask for people to subscribe to my channel, you know, but it doesn't mean like these people really compel me to subscribe to their channels. I don't know all these people personally. No. I don't have anything against these people. No. It doesn't mean because if it's I'm doing them, I subscribe to them, subscribe to me. No. I might have some interest. I have interest, not some interest. I have interest on these channels. So anything that interests me or whatever, funny stuff and who these people are, it just maybe their content and the way they do things, and who they are. Like I said, I'm not judging anyone, so you be yourself. You know, there's only gonna be you, one person. It's you. So that's the thing. You do your thing, I do my thing. We all fine. So you can go through my subscription here. Like other people tend to hide what people they subscribe to. They don't want other people to see who they are. You know, I don't have to mask that. I don't have to mask it. I don't have to hide it. But like I said, it's a preference, and is their own. Sometimes some of the things it's just an opinion. This is my opinion. Okay, don't hold me responsible for it. This is just an opinion. I didn't say anyone to do what I do. I'm not saying anyone to show their subscribers, but if I want to, I'll do it. I don't have to hide people that subscribe to my channel, which they're very important to me, and they made me who I am right now and today, and I'm proud of them, and I want to show to the world, and people see people who subscribe to me, I subscribe back to them, and some people don't subscribe to me, but I did subscribe to them. Some probably subscribe to me, I didn't even know, I didn't even realize that, because a lot of people on my channel, so I didn't subscribe back to them. I hope you're not going to feel bad about it. It's just a matter of when you through your send me a link to one of my videos. I'm a subscriber to your channel. Please subscribe to me. You can ask. It doesn't mean it's a big deal. You know, you can ask. Always ask for subscribers. That's all of us normally do. You know, please subscribe, like, and share. We do say that all the time. But it doesn't mean because you subscribe to me, or I have to subscribe to you so that I can get a favor back from you. But this is how it is. So if you like my content, you like my videos, you like what I do. Some people say I like the way you talk. Some people say I don't like the way you talk. Some people naming people names, and it's not like whatever. There are a lot of things people like for it. They like you just because of certain things that you have on your channel. So guys, I already went through the 10 pages here, as you guys can see, and it's pretty interesting. All these people, you know, I want to thank you guys. I want to thank you all for being part of my channel. Did you see that? 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 subscription I have here from different people all over the world. It's not just in the United States, all over the world. And because of that, I want to thank you. I want to give that kind of gratitude, or being sincere to all of you guys, and see who these people are. And they meant a lot to me because I have them on my channel and they have me on their channel. We wake up together, we do project together, they comment on my videos, some criticize the videos. You know, criticism is not a form of strength, because if they don't criticize you, you're not gonna be good, you're not gonna get strong, you're not gonna do better things. But if you criticize someone for the right thing, and they can able to go back and look at their work and correct the mistake, or that's how they improve. But you criticize someone for no good reason, because you don't do your research, and you just try to give thumbs down to people, you try just to be mean and ugly to others. I don't think that's kind of cool, because anyone who's on YouTube put a lot of work to create a content like this. It's not easy. And thank you guys for being part of my channel, and you have a blessed day. Bye for now. subscribe, like, and share.